In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Lucidchart. Changing the background can help customize your chart to better fit your style or improve its visibility, making your presentations more effective and visually appealing. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to be logged in to your Lucidchart account. Once you're on the dashboard, your focus should be on navigating to the Documents section. Typically, you can do this by clicking on the Documents tab or the corresponding icon, which you'd usually find in the sidebar or within the main menu. This is your central hub where all your files are stored and ready for editing. Now, with access to your documents, it's time to find the specific file that you want to edit. Scan through your list of files, and once you've spotted the right one, click on it. This will select the file for you. Following that, you'll want to click on Open. This will launch the editing mode for your chosen Lucidchart document. With your document open and ready to edit, focus on the main canvas area. Here's where the magic starts. Right-click anywhere in this central workspace. Doing so will prompt a context menu to make its appearance. From this list of options, you'll want to look for and select Document Settings. This is a crucial area because it provides you with a range of customization settings for your chart. Among these settings is what you're particularly interested in today: adjusting the background color. In the Document Settings menu, you'll need to dig a little deeper until you locate the option concerning the background color. Once you find it, click on it. This action will bring up a palette filled with a variety of colors available for you to choose from. Here's your chance to get a bit creative. Take the time to click on the color that resonates best with your needs or aligns perfectly with your project's requirements. You'll find that this straightforward customization can significantly influence the way your content is perceived by your audience. Once you've settled on your preferred color, make sure to exit the color palette by clicking outside of it. This confirms and applies the changes to your document. It's a good idea to take a moment now to review your document's new appearance, just to ensure that everything looks the way you want it to with the new background in place. If you're satisfied with how everything looks and feels, the final step is to exit the settings mode. Simply do this by clicking on Exit. And just like that, there you have it. Your Lucidchart document now sports a freshly updated background color. Changing your document's background is as simple as those few steps. Whether you're gearing up for a big meeting or just organizing some ideas, this simple tweak can make all the difference.